Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. If you've stopped waking up with morning erections, don't ignore it. Your body's trying to tell you something. Morning wood isn't just about sex. It's an early signal of your heart, hormones, and blood flow health. In this video, I'll show you a powerful nighttime routine with specific extracts that help bring back those natural morning erections, safely, naturally, and scientifically. Stay till the end for the full protocol. Why morning erections matter. Morning erections are nature's built-in diagnostic test for male health. They occur during REM sleep to oxygenate penile tissue and maintain circulation. When they disappear, it often means something deeper: low testosterone, poor blood flow, or disrupted sleep cycles. Think of it as your body's nightly check engine light. Ignoring it means missing one of the earliest signs of cardiovascular or hormonal decline. The nighttime restoration principle. At night, your body resets, repairing tissue, balancing hormones, and restoring blood flow. That's why the timing of supplements matters. Taking targeted extracts 30 minutes before bed supports nitric oxide release, vascular repair, and testosterone balance while you sleep. It's the simplest way to align science with your body's natural rhythms, so morning erections return naturally, not artificially. Pine bark extract, pycnogenol. French maritime pine bark extract is the cornerstone of this protocol. Rich in proanthocyanidins, it enhances nitric oxide production, relaxes blood vessels, and boosts circulation. Studies show significant improvement in erectile function within weeks. Take 100 to 200 milligrams 30 minutes before bed. It supports oxygen delivery and vascular flexibility, key for spontaneous nighttime and morning erections. Ginkgo biloba, the circulation booster. Ginkgo biloba has been used for centuries to improve blood flow and protect vessels from oxidative stress. It increases nitric oxide, mildly thins the blood, and enhances oxygen delivery to the pelvic region. For best results, use 120 to 240 milligrams of standardized extract containing 24% flavone glycosides and 6% terpene lactones. Within weeks, most men report stronger, more consistent morning erections. Horny goatweed and ashwagandha. Dual action support. Horny goatweed, rich in icariin, gently inhibits PDE5, the same pathway as certain medications, helping you maintain firmer erections naturally. Pair it with ashwagandha, a stress-reducing adaptogen that lowers cortisol and supports testosterone. Together, they tackle both stress and circulation, two of the biggest barriers to nighttime erectile function. Take 500 to 1,000 milligrams epimedium and 300 to 600 milligrams ashwagandha before bed. L-citrulline, the nitric oxide builder. L-citrulline is an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide better than L-arginine itself. It widens blood vessels, enhances circulation, and supports oxygen flow all night long. Studies show that 3 to 6 grams daily improves erection quality in men with mild ED. Take it 30 minutes before bed to keep blood flow pathways open while you sleep, the foundation for natural morning firmness. Tribulus and maca, hormone and libido balance. Tribulus terrestris supports luteinizing hormone, the signal that triggers testosterone production. Maca root, rich in macamides, boosts libido and mood. Together, they support hormone balance and restore desire. Use 500 to 1,500 milligrams Tribulus standardized to 40% saponins and 1,500 to 3,000 milligrams maca extract. Their synergy enhances both hormonal response and emotional confidence, key ingredients for restored vitality. The full bedtime protocol. Combine your nighttime nutrients: pine bark 200 milligrams, ginkgo 120 milligrams, horny goat 500 milligrams, ashwagandha 600 milligrams, L-citrulline 3G, tribulus 1000 milligrams, maca 2000 milligrams. Take with water 30 minutes before sleep. Within 2 to 4 weeks, most men notice more frequent morning erections. By 2 to 3 months, stronger energy, confidence, and performance. Remember, consistency, quality extracts, and good sleep are everything. Final thoughts and call to action. Gentlemen, the return of morning erections isn't just about function. It's about confidence, vitality, and health. It signals strong circulation and a resilient heart. If you found this helpful,